In this video, you will learn how to perform a content audit on a web property with DYNO Mapper and how to view the audit details. Each project created using the Create from URL creation method includes an audit of the web property. The audit includes a content quality score and a graph to track the remediation of issues as they are fixed. The content quality score improves as issues have been fixed. You can refresh the project at any time to update these issues in the live environment. Go to the project menu and click Refresh. To see the issues in detail, click on the issue type, and a pop-up will load with all the issues in list form. If you decide that an issue is a false positive or irrelevant, you can select single or multiple issues and click Archive in the issue pop-up. You can write an optional note about why you want to archive the selected issues for later reference. Archived items will be listed in the Archive tab alongside archive notes, with the ability to unarchive the issue at any time by selecting the item and clicking Unarchive. Issues can also be assigned to users as assignments. Select the issue, click Create Assignment, and select the user responsible for fixing the issue. Then click Save. The assignments attachment will contain the issue detail for the content audit issue and will be displayed below the notes. Quickly select other issue types, search page titles, URLs, status codes, and file extensions. Export issues to CSV for Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets compatible files.